Hello everyone, welcome to Codecrafters Lab. So today we are going to see the pattern 20 from the TUF plus. So let's try to deep dive into that pattern. So here you can see n equal to 4. How many rows are there? So there are 7 rows, right? And the first thing whenever we came across any pattern, what we try to do is we try to print the outer loop, that is like rows count. So here we can simply say that, right, it is 2 into n minus 1 because it is 7. In this case, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And in the second of example also you can see there are 3 and it is 2. So 2 into n minus 1. So that loop we have written here, right? This is the first loop that we will write for equal to already we have written it equal to 1 and I is greater than equal to 2 into n minus 1 and I plus plus, right? This is my outer loop, that is done, right? And after coming inside, what we will try to do, we can see that, right, there are different uh, like rows where we are printing stars, spaces, and then again stars. This is the pattern here, okay? And it may differ the number of spaces and number of stars, okay? So we will just write it down for the ith value. So I is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 in this case, okay? So we first try to write till this point, okay? So and spaces 1 2 3 5 6 and again 1 2 3 4 1 2. And talking about I is like talking about stars, stars are equal to I only, right? We can say that 1 star, then 2 star, I is 2, 3 stars, then I is 3, 4 stars, I is 4. Then from this line onwards, it is not equal to. There are 3 stars, but the I is 5. So we are considering in this row only as of now. Okay. So what we can say is like we can write two loops for printing this part and this part. First, for printing style, what we have written, j is less than equal to I. So basically, we have to print till I only because I is equal to stars. So that loop we have written. These two loops we have written and at the print line. Right. After that, talking about spaces. So for spaces, we have to come up with some formula, and the formula is 2n minus 2 because there are 6 spaces. Here 6 spaces. Here 4 spaces, here 2 spaces, here 0 spaces. With 2n and 2I formula, what happens? 2n is 8, 2 into 4, 8, minus 2I is 2. Here it is 6, and for this 8 minus 4 is 4. For this 8 minus 3 into 5, 3 into 2, 6. It is 2. Then for this 8 minus 2i, 4 into 2 is 8, is 0. So yeah, this formula fits here. That's why what we have written, we have written this. So just comment it out. Just comment it out. All of that. Okay, let's try to run this. What will be great. So it is anyway wrong. Yes. So till just consider we have already written our I loop, so that's why it's printing again and again. But just consider the till this part. So this part we have covered, right? Till this line. Now comes into the picture the next part. Basically, this particular last 3 lines. Okay. For last 3 lines, can we come up with some condition here? Yes. This line is happening after I equal to 4. After I is greater than 4, then only this problem arises. So that's why what we did, we have inserted one condition where This loop will execute from I to n, right? When I is greater than n, what will happen? We will define some different conditions around that. What is the condition around that is, for printing stars, here there are 3 stars, right? I equal to 5, 3 stars, 2 stars, 1 star. When I is 6, 2 stars. When I is 7, 1 star. What is the formula that we have to write? 2 into n minus I. 2 into n minus I. So 2n is 8 minus I is 5. It is 2 minus 5 is 3. So it is equal to 3 stars. Then for this line, what will happen? 8 minus 6 is 2. So 2 stars are there. And for this line, 8 minus I, 7 is 1 star. So 1 star we want to print. The printing formula we have derived. So that's why we have written these 2 for loops. Right. After that, talking about the spaces. So spaces are in a reverse order. 2, then 4, then 6. Right. For spaces, we have derived one formula. 2i minus 2n. 2i minus 2n is, here what is that? 5 into 2, that is 5 is I. 10 minus 8 into n is 2. So that's why 2 spaces. And for this line, what is it? 2 into 6. 2 into 6, 12 minus 8, it is 4. So 4 spaces are there. For this line, what is happening? 2 into 7, 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8, how much? Sorry, something went wrong here. So 2i is 2 into 7, 14 minus 8 is 14 minus 8, 6. So 6 spaces are there. So that is how we have derived it. And at the end, we are breaking the line, and even for this loop also, we are breaking the line. That is how we can solve this particular problem. It is accepted. Let's try to submit it. Yes, it's submitted. Talking about time complexity, it is O of n square due to nested loops and O of 1 for the space complexity. Let's do some code review. Now, why it's not reviewing the code, but I don't know what is happening. But it's mostly like writing these particular loops, not using multiple times. Instead of that, writing it in some methods, and also naming conventions should be better. So this is what I can feel. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. So we will try to finish all the patterns first and then move forward with the next session. Thank you.